The building was built in 1846 during the famine times. And for this building to be built, costing I think £1,400 in the famine times, was pretty incredible, to be fair. And the person that was doing that was a true leader in education, I'd imagine, and seeing that the only way out of famine was by educating the kids. It was a great classroom, you know. Lots of great friendships came out of this room and everything. And I suppose we learned something as well. We'd like to think we learned something. It was a shell, a core, you know, a musty, cold, old building that hadn't been used for a number of years. And prior to that it was a school, so, you know, when they're doing up the new school, they hadn't much done in the last 10 years in the building, so it required quite a lot of work. Colman McCaffrey took on the project, our COO, and it was no problem whatsoever to him.
To answer one of the issues, I suppose, on the actual building work was the short turnaround time that we had. So we had a 10-week programme to get everything done, which obviously was difficult at times, but we got there in the end.
I suppose it's a bit like a family home as well, like you're renting a place and when you finally get to buy a home that you call your own, like it's a great thing, and it's like that for the company as well.
I think Dennis McCarthy from Fexico said to me, when you have a building, you only start thinking about how to fill it. Now we have a building, we're well ahead in how we'll fill this building, but also the building next door to us in relation to the main school. So it means hundreds of jobs here for Spearline and for Skibbereen.
The reaction has been, I suppose, surprise at how well it's looking and delight with, I suppose, their new office space.
Various reactions. There's the people who went to school here and have come in and said, like, obviously they remember when it was a classroom, kind of remembering what it was and just saying how different it looked then. So there's a bit of an off factor to them. And now that we have a place to call like our headquarters and call our own, like, it's a big achievement for the company, and it's a massive step for us.
It is a great honour that I joined here with you today to celebrate this great moment for Spearline. The building has great history, but it also is a place of great fun. We've heard about the sad times, but we're going to bring a new life into this.